shared by the Aam Aadmi Party, and the latest video that has been released from the day of the alleged assault on May 13, it's adding a whole new dimension to this ongoing political battle. Let's show you this video on your screen now. This is a fresh set of CCTV footage that has emerged. The visuals on your screens, viewers, this is the video from May 13th. It shows that Swati Maliwal right now, first she enters the residence of the Chief Minister, then she's escorted out with a woman who's holding her. Swati Maliwal there seems to have a confrontation with the personnel involved, including the security officials and the police personnel who are present on the spot. Piyush, tell us about these new CCTV videos that have been shared by the Aam Aadmi Party. Earlier, we know that Swati Maliwal has refuted and said that the video that was earlier shared, the 50-second video from Kejriwal's residence, was actually a cut-out video. It was shared without context. And now the Aam Aadmi Party has shared another video, which seems to be a stitched-out video of different footages. You can clearly see the cuts in this video. Tell us more from this evidence.
So first of all, just an amendment, Kriti. It is important to note over here that this video is not being directly circulated by Aam Aadmi Party, and it is being coming from the sources of Aam Aadmi Party and those who are supporters of Aam Aadmi Party. So yes, perhaps it is important to note that in this assault case, which is now becoming more bigger and one would say even more murkier, there is now the process of allegations and counter allegations that has started. And in this process only we are seeing that how several videos are being circulated, in which the first video which we saw yesterday, we saw that how Swati Maliwal was sitting on a couch and she was hurling expletives at Bibhav Kumar. And now the second video, which today again has been circulated, most probably by the Aam Aadmi Party sources, it has been coming out that how Swati Maliwal is being escorted out by the lady women police officers and also the law enforcement officials belonging to the security division of the Delhi police. In this, it has been seen that how she's angry, and it is also seen that how she's again beginning to hurl expletives even when she's been escorted out and when she's out at the residence, outside the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. It is important to note, however, that this is just a video which has emerged, and we know that there can be a lot of cuts, there can be a lot of edits, and also we are living right now in the age of fake videos, so we cannot really authenticate the veracity of this video. Also,
well, absolutely.
it is important to
Crucial
note that
point there, Piyush, that you have raised, that the video seems to have many cuts. We don't know from when these visuals have been stitched together, so that will obviously be probed. We will be waiting for the investigation on the authenticity of these videos that have been shared from the Aam Aadmi Party sources that you have said. Meanwhile, let's tell our viewers that the Aam Aadmi Party has been using these videos as a plank to maintain that the allegations leveled by Swati Maliwal do not hold ground. The Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that Swati Maliwal was in fact had been in touch with the BJP for a long time. There was a corruption case against her, and now that corruption case seems to have been closed. That's what Atishi, the Delhi minister of the Aam Aadmi Party, said. Let's show you what she said up next.
स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो का एक रिक्रूटमेंट स्कैम का केस चल रहा है कि डीसीडब्ल्यू में गलत तरीके से कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल एम्प्लॉयज़ को रिक्रूट किया गया। ये केस पिछले कई सालों से चल रहा है, उन पर एफआईआर हुई है। अब ये मामला ख़त्म होने के करीब आ रहा है, तो इसलिए ऐसा लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये जो फॉर्मूला है कि अलग अलग नेताओं पे केस करना, उसी फॉर्मूले को स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर इस्तेमाल किया गया होगा। उन पर जो एसीबी का केस चल रहा है, जो इलीगल रिक्रूटमेंट डीसीडब्ल्यू में केस चल रहा है, उस पर धमकी देके स्वाति मालीवाल जी से शायद ये करवाया गया है। दूसरी बात, हमने तो ये भी कहा है कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी के कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स की जांच होनी चाहिए। हमें ये विश्वसनीय सूत्रों से पता चला है कि पिछले कुछ महीनों से वो लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं से संपर्क में हैं। तो दिल्ली पुलिस इस बात की जांच करे कि ये कैसा षड्यंत्र है, ये कैसा राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र है जो बिल्कुल चुनाव के समय दिल्ली में वोटिंग से 5 दिन पहले रचा जाता है। आम आदमी पार्टी पर हमला करने के लिए रचा जाता है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पर हमला करने के लिए रचा जाता है। तो इस पर पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए कि स्वाति मालीवाल जी किस तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के संपर्क में।
Well, allegations and counter-allegations are making the move now in the Assaultgate case. Several developments are taking place. What we are seeing is the Aam Aadmi Party continues to remain in defense of the Vibhav Kumar. More developments will be taking place. Raghav Chadha, meanwhile, at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Stay tuned. We will get you minute-to-minute details.